Hello students, today we will revise unit 9, that is fractions. And in this unit there are three most important things. First is your equivalent fractions and second is your conversion, that is converting improper fraction into mixed number and mixed number into improper fraction. So these are the three things which we will revise in this unit. So first of all, what are equivalent fractions? So the fractions which have the same values are called equivalent fractions. Or you can say the fractions which express the same part of a whole but have different names are called equivalent fractions. So इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस को हम कैसे जो है वो देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है और नहीं है. हाउ कैन वी चेक, राइट? सो वी हैव सपोज let us take the example here, 2/3 and 8/12. So how can we check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not? So for that we have one method, that is by cross multiplication, right? So how can we check? We will cross multiply these two fractions. That means the numerator of the first with the denominator of the second and the denominator of the first with the numerator of the second. That means 2 multiplied by 12 and 3 multiplied by 8. If the product is same, so let us check 12 2s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. So here the products are same. So if the products are same, that means the given fractions are equivalent. So that is one method of checking whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. And this is the cross multiplication method. So this is very easy method. And second is your if you the question is find the missing numerator or denominator. Then how can you find out the missing numerator or denominator? Suppose this is the question upon 4. Now you have to find out the missing numerator or denominator. So here the numerator is missing, so how can you find out? So equivalent fractions लिखने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, right? So here the denominators of both the fractions are given. So we will recite the table of 2 till 4. So 2 2s are 4, right? So we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. Same number से ही हम multiply करेंगे. That is 2. Then only we will get the equivalent fraction. So 2 2s are 4. So ऊपर भी 2 से multiply करेंगे. So 1 2s are 2. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose 7/9 is equal to 42/dash. So in this case we have to find out the denominator, missing denominator. So numerators are given, so we will recite the table of numerator, that is 7 का table हम 42 तक. So 7 6 is 42, you know. So ऊपर हम 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 42 आया, तो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर को भी हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 से. Then only we will get the equivalent fraction. So 9 6 is 54. And अगर ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आपको रिवर्स फॉर्म में आ जाए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 27/30 is equal to 9/box. So here 27 का टेबल तो आप रिसाइट नहीं करेंगे, 9 तक हो भी नहीं सकता. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज हम 9 का टेबल रिसाइट करेंगे 27 तक. सो 9 का टेबल रिसाइट कीजिए. 9 3 is 27. तो यू नो कि जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. 9 3 is 27. So नीचे भी हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 3 का टेबल रिसाइड करेंगे हम 30 तक. 3 10s are 30. So what will come in this blank? That is 10. So in this way we can find out the missing numerator or denominator. So now we have done revised two things. First, how to check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So by cross multiplication method, and second, how we can find the missing numerator or denominator. Now third thing is how we can write the equivalent fractions. Suppose a question is given 5/8 and we have to write the equivalent fractions, any number of equivalent fractions. Suppose question is write 3 equivalent fractions. कितने equivalent fraction लिखने हैं हमें? 3. किसके? 5/8 के. How can we write? So we will write like, हम क्या करेंगे, रिसाइट करेंगे टेबल. 5/8 है, 5 का टेबल भी रिसाइट करेंगे ऊपर नीचे, 8 का भी, और सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 1s 5, 8 1s 8, तो पहले ये 5 2s 10, नीचे भी 8 2s 16. Similarly 5 3s 15 and 8 3s 24. And next 5 4s 20 and 8 4s 32. ऐसे करके हम कितना भी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस लिख सकते हैं. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have to write the equivalent fractions of 9/11. So how can we write? बस टेबल रिसाइड करना है. 9 1s 9 है, 11 1s 11 है, 9 2s 18, 11 2s 22. सेम नंबर से ही हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 9 3s 27, ऊपर 3 से किया तो नीचे भी 11 3s 33. 9 4s 36, तो नीचे भी 4 से, 11 4s 44. So in this way we can write any number of equivalent fractions of given fraction. Next thing that we will revise is how to convert the mixed number into improper fraction and improper into mixed number. That is conversion. Changing fractions. So let us take the example, change into mixed number. And the question is, suppose 41/10, right? Here the question is given, this is the improper fraction. So let us revise first of all the types of fraction so that it will be more clear to you. The types of fractions. First of all, like and unlike fractions. Like fractions क्या होते हैं? Like fractions in which the denominators are same, right? 10 10 10 10 you can see here, और कोई और भी हो सकता है, 5 5 5 5. तो डिनोमिनेटर जिनके सेम होंगे वो लाइक फ्रैक्शंस, एंड द फ्रैक्शंस जिनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है, दोज आर कॉल्ड अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस. So that is about like and unlike. Like means denominators are same, unlike means denominators are not same. Proper and improper fraction, most important. Proper fractions in which the numerator is smaller, right? ऐसे fractions जिसमें numerator छोटा होगा किससे? denominator से. You can see here in all these fractions the numerators are smaller. 2 is smaller than 3, 1 is smaller than 3, 5 is smaller than 7. So such type of fractions are proper fractions. And the fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here numerator is greater. 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, 6 is greater than 5. Such type of fractions are called improper fractions. Proper and improper, most important. Proper, numerator छोटा है denominator से. Improper, numerator बड़ा है denominator से. Right? Next is unit fraction. Unit means 1. जिनके numerator 1 है, such type of fractions are unit fractions. जिसके सब के you can see here all the fractions have 1 numerator. Such type of fractions are unit fraction. And last one is mixed number. Mixed means it is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So ये whole number, or you can say natural number and proper fraction. Proper means जिसका numerator smaller है. Natural number and proper fraction. 3/4 numerator is smaller, so it is a proper fraction. So इनका combination को हम mixed numbers बोलते हैं. Now we will see this change into mixed number. So how can we change? To change improper fraction into mixed number, और this is a condition कि सिर्फ improper fraction ही mixed number में convert होता है. जो proper fraction है it never change into mixed number. That keep it in mind कि improper fraction ही change होगा mixed number. How can we change? What we have to do, very easy. We have to just divide it. 41 divided by 10. So 10 4s are 41. So remainder is 1. So जब हमें इम्प्रॉपर को मिक्स्ड में कन्वर्ट करना है, एक मैंने फॉर्म बताई थी QRD फॉर्म, ये आपने लर्न करनी है. QRD, Q means quotient, R remainder and D is divisor. So write in this form. Q quotient is 4, R is remainder is 1, and your divisor is 10. So in this way you can easily convert, change improper fraction into mixed number. Let us take one more example. Suppose 68/11, right? So what we have to do, just divide it. 11 6 just 66, subtract it, 2, what is the remainder? 2. So again QRD form. Q is 6, quotient is 6, remainder is 2, and divisor is 11. So this is the mixed form. Now let us take some examples at how can we change mixed number into improper. Now change into improper fraction. Improper fraction. So let us take one example. Suppose 2 and 1/3, right? How can we change? So जब हमें mixed number को improper में convert करना है, how can we change? What we have to do is, हमें जो natural number है और जो denominator है, natural number ये learn रखना है आपने, multiplied by denominator, इन दोनों को multiply करना है, and then add plus क्या करना है हमने, numerator, राइट इनको, और जो नीचे आएगा आपका वो डिनोमिनेटर अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करेगा. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. यू कैन से व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यहां पर आपने क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाई, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई, एंड जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है उससे आपने क्या करना है, ऐड कर देना है न्यूमरेटर को, राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 2, 2 into 3. And then what we have to do is add the numerator. What is numerator? 1, and denominator will not change its position. So denominator अपनी जगह पर ही आएगा. 3. And what is the answer? 2 3 just 6 plus 1/3 and 7/3. Let us take one more example. 1 and 4/9, right? So what is our steps? First of all, we have to multiply this natural number by denominator. So 1 multiplied by 9, and then add. What we have to add is numerator, that is 4. And what will come as denominator? Denominator will come as denominator only. So 1 9 is a 9 plus 4, and that is 13/9. So ये आपने learn करना है, कैसे करना है. First of all, multiply natural number and denominator, and then add the numerator with the product. जो भी product आता है उससे add कर लेना है numerator को, and do practice of the questions which we have revised, and don't forget to revise the fill-ups of all the lessons and the MCQs, multiple choice questions. Thank you.